The Vaishno Devi picture has been removed and Shiv banner has been placed. You can see a lot of stray dogs are moving towards me. For reaching temple, I have to cross this river drain, which is being promoted as a great river tributary of Saraswati. More and more trails are being constructed that you have witnessed in just 1 month only. Can you imagine the condition of the environment in next 1.5 months? The whole forest will be wiped off by mosque demolishing group and church vandalizing group in parallelism with Hindu Rashtra. In fact, the prayers are secondary, but we have to go before God to let us reach back home safely. You can see even now the whole premises has been filled with ashes of surrounding forest burning and intentional deforestation. Now I have opened the doors of the Hanuman temple. After praying for a few minutes, I am returning back. Stray dogs are present inside the temple premises also. I am not accusing anyone. If I am afraid of these menaces, it's not sure that others are feeling annoying or uncomfortable with them, because most of the Indians like these kind of animals and love them a lot and keep them inside their houses for security reasons and other kind of auspicious activities which they believe to be close association with Kal Bhairavi or other kind of dummy gods and devils to protect them from evil energies or ghostly powers. The arguments are endless, and I have never criticized them in my life, just because of the fact that when I was studying in second grade, a stray dog barked on me and I fell down in the drain like this one. From that day, I felt very afraid of these kind of instances, and most of the time I used to carry these sticks or never visit lonely places without cycles, bicycles, bikes or cars. A doctor sprayed concentrated sulfuric acid on my hips when in fact the dog had never bit me, but he didn't want to take any chances at Kapoor Hospital, Tilaknagar. The scar was removed after 2.5 years, but I was not provided rabies injection and I didn't felt any kind of side effects or any symptoms of rabies also. 90% of the times these stray dogs never attack me. Sometimes when I find any danger and start running, then only they chase me, but even then I don't want to take chances. Moreover, it is not possible to clear dogs from forest area, and I am not promoting that actions also. It is our responsibility to keep stray dogs away from city area, and if they have reached the forest, it's their right to stroll around here. So don't think anything negative about these recordings. I'm just providing you information only. It is the same place where I recorded about 44 or 46 days ago on my bicycle. You can compare both videos and find immense deforestation. There is no need to explain or count them. You must have been witnessing in front of your own eyes. And if you are not supporting paid media and bugs or Godi media, then you must be aware of these kind of slow processes by mosque demolishing group and church vandalizing group. A day before yesterday, as usual, I went to CNI Church and Cathedral of 19th sector, but I was very disheartened when a lot of believers were waiting silently in front of main gate, and most of them were returning back in 20 or 40 seconds only. But when I went to nearby CNI church and returned back, then only I found different group of people who had never imagined that they will be attacked by flashes belonging to church vandalizing group and mosque demolishing group with powerful batons, and they kept on waiting for few seconds. But I rode my bike away because I don't want to indulge myself in any kind of quarrels or arguments with them when the pastors had lost hope in Jesus Christ, and they were openly telling me that these kind of flashes will not let them open the gate of church, even if many believers are returning back and they are also feeling very unhappy. There is no shortage of stray dogs inside the sector also, so I am moving very slowly. Most of the people turned towards that lane. Few of the workers are present here, and when there is some shield to wait for few minutes, then that way can be utilized. Or if there are presence of bricks and stones, you can carry them and make them run away. Good excuse for flesh cockroaches and insects belonging to church vandalizing group and mosque demolition group, that more and more forest area should be raised to protect the civilians from bites. In fact, they are breeding animals inside their mansions with 3-number mass hysteria and Raja Rancho parallelism, with different kind of illegal doctors supplying bull idols at existing Shiv temples and pasting a lot of posters and erecting glow sign boards, which you have witnessed at Saketri temple also. And these flashes got information from my own house itself. Why can or how can I blame anyone else when pretenders and betrayers are present everywhere in all probable causes? On 11th November, I uploaded a video from Jayanti Devi temple, and while returning back towards my house, I purchased incense sticks belonging to secular company known as Haridarshan, who didn't promoted any fake Vaishno belonging to church vandalizing and mosque demolition group also. And Business Today was the magazine who promoted these kind of mass hysterias throughout the world, and then promoting negatively about flesh lawyers. Then I had already disclosed you in my own words that you may witness any parallelism through my videos also. That probability should not be ignored. I will upload this video during later part of the evening, and of course 25 plus 2 is 27, and all of the matchsticks in the temple were also extinguished intentionally. All of the idols were also being witnessed damaging effects through different kind of annoying colors, and illiteracy was spreaded inside the temple through mass hysteria of pungent smelling flower logos and fake Shiv companies stitching different kind of spoiled suits and then promoting them by standing in front of those pictures and ordering different kind of spurious quality clothes, and then spreading those leftover packets and bags inside the temples, so that I will feel more and more annoyed through these kind of mass hysterias, and educated people like us should laugh at them, but they don't have any shame. In fact, I was looking for a good bride, but how can I imagine that if any educated class will witness these kind of behaviors inside the temples, they will not swallow these kind of truths. But even then, I have to expose everything. If any good bride will watch these kind of videos in future, it is possible that believing in secular nature and behavior, she may throw these kind of unauspicious packets out of our houses. But that is still a hope for me for the future. I have uninstalled all the matrimonial applications from my mobile also, because of these kind of illiterates who have surrounded our houses. Obviously, when I will scroll the prospects, it is possible that a mass hysteria will reach those applications also. In the end of this video, you should learn that the politics evolved from 15th August 1947, and from the day a 1888 born freedom fighter Jawaharlal Nehru died during 1964, and many kind of first names and surnames were kept in jealousy and egoism or hatred towards my family members, because of the fact that my father was very close to Nehruji in Trimurti Bhavan, and in all probable causes a lot of construction companies also evolved in parallelism with workplace accidents and other kind of cleanliness drive mass hysteria, tractors and machines used to cut down trees also. Many girls in parallelism with pictures of Durga were being abused in Delhi University also, and stray dogs were intentionally kept in front of those first name superimposition construction companies, and you might have witnessed that also when I broadcasted in front of those workers. Thanks a lot for joining my video. The fictitious IT development can be seen in front of you. In fact, that is directly related to deforestation and rented incomes of corrupt Indian flashes or retired colonels belonging to mosque demolishing group and church vandalizing group. My whole house is filled with cult Baba pictures and spurious quality idols and manipulated ones, which were purchased by me only about 15 to 25 years ago. Even some of them were bought when we halted for a few minutes at Najafgarh while migrating to this town during February 2007, when trucks were accompanying us. So I have lost all hope. After reaching my home, I will shift some of the pictures or idols of Mother Goddess and place them inside my room, because I am fed up of matchsticks manipulations, incense sticks placements and other kind of inauspicious objects in my own temple developed by me only, and all of the blood money of my family, that is me and my father, was utilized in purchasing 6/586 sector 6 Panchkula. But I was harassed a lot.